It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
What are you doing right now, Tyler?
Well, I'm securing this brick. Because YouTube guys think that Seth didn't fly a brick.
Wrong.
Which was the
Will
DRL.
it fly this brick?
Seth flew a DRL brick, and someone got mad that it wasn't a real brick, so we're gonna go fly a real brick. 52-cent brick. I mean, it's gotta move around.
Yeah.
Hey guys, got the brick here, since none of you believe it. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Turn on the LEDs. Alright. I don't know how much solder it'll use. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna hover it here. It's definitely more throttle than before.
You are at 70.
It's like 50%.
Yeah, you're at 48%.
Alright, you might as well go for it.
Alright.
Send it.
Make a right turn. Brick baby.
I have a gorgeous video too. Of the brick. Oh yeah, it's a brick.
Alright, full punch. Oh, it still goes, baby. Alright, how about a flip?
Oh god.
Brick baby!
There we go.
I'm coming right towards this.
Yeah, right there. Just over the ground.
Look at that. Oh, she almost hit it. Oh, brick doesn't even slow it down. Full speed. The bricks makes it more aerodynamic, didn't you know that? It really hardly even notices it. It's dead? Look how big it is. I got it. It's really heavy with the brick on it.
Right. Yeah, the batteries were